Hello friends, I am DK and I welcome you all on your own channel. Friends, I welcome you to our tutorial series Zero to Hero episode number 32 in English version. Friends, those who are interested to watch these tutorials in Hindi, there is a separate playlist in the Hindi section of the channel where they can access all these tutorials in Hindi language as well. So friends, in past episode, we have tried to build around the concept of Fibonacci numbers so that we can understand better the calculation aspect of Fibonacci retracement tools, Fibonacci expansion tool that we frequently use when we do technical analysis on the price chart. So friends, today we are going to take up all about Fibonacci retracements. There we will understand the finer details of Fibonacci retracement and we will take up one example when the market is trending up and another example when the market was in downtrend, so that you conceptually build the concept of as to how we can draw the Fibonacci retracement by using the tool available in any standard charting software and use them the various levels to improve upon the accuracy in the technical analysis. So friends, if you are watching this video, have not yet subscribed the channel, do subscribe, and after you have subscribed the channel, enable the notification bell so that you receive notification for upcoming uploads. And friends, if you are interested to take up the membership of this channel, the details are given in the link provided below in the description box. You can access and choose any one of the programs that we are running in collaboration with YouTube on this channel. So friends, let us move ahead and start all about Fibonacci retracement under Zero to Hero episode number 32. So friends, now let us understand what are Fibonacci retracement levels that we know as a key levels of retracement when we use the Fibonacci retracement tool. Probably this is one of the simplest tool to use where the software takes care of when you draw, automatically these levels are plotted on your price chart. Now, you might have seen many tutorials on this channel and during several live streams that we come out every week. We come out at least 4 live streaming sessions. During that we do perform the live technical analysis on various charts which on the stocks that are being asked by our viewers. And you might have seen we frequently use Fibonacci retracement tool and Fibonacci expansion tool. So after completion of this particular episode and tutorial, if you keep on watching those live streaming that comes on every Tuesday at night 8:30, every Thursday at night 8:30 p.m. and then friends it comes at Sunday 8:30 p.m. and on Sunday 11:55 a.m. So you will learn the practical aspects of Fibonacci retracements. So let us now understand what are the Fibonacci retracement levels. So these are simply but a horizontal lines which are plotted on the price chart and indicates the supports and resistance with respect to the prior impulsive wave. And these are nothing but are derived from Fibonacci sequence or numbers that we have already explained you in the previous episodes under Fibonacci sequence divine numbers as to how these retracements level are calculated and derived from Fibonacci numbers. These are expressed in percentages because ultimately our aim is to know the market whenever takes a pullback or corrects or retraces, how much is likely to be a correction where it is going to halt. So it is the percentage of the impulsive wave, which is a rising wave in uptrending market while a falling wave in downtrending market. So market doesn't go in a straight line upside and market doesn't come down in a straight line downward. Very rare phenomenon even if it happens. So these retracement tools in markup phase and markdown phase of the market helps us to arrive at possible pullbacks against the original trend. And friends, the percentage is nothing but how much of a prior move, which is an impulsive move, either on upside or on downside, depending upon the prevailing trend of the market, the price has retraced. And from there, if it is showing a kind of bounce back or a rejection, depending upon the phase in which the market is operating, will give us a clue to design a trading strategy. So friends, now let us understand the key retracement levels which are available in the standard charting software when we use the Fibonacci retracement tool when we draw on the price chart. So friends, the key retracements level are 23.6%, 38.2%, 61.8% and 78.6%. These are the key retracement level that you will find in any standard charting tool. And friends, in our previous episodes, we have already discussed as to how these ratios have been arrived at, which is being used in terms of percentage to calculate the retracement levels against the impulsive wave. So 23.6%, 38.2%, and 78.6% are nothing but the derivative of golden ratio, and 61.8% is the golden ratio. And friend, 50% is also used in all the charting software, but it is not derived from Fibonacci numbers, since it is halfway of the impulsive wave, which we are taking as a reference to draw the retracement level. So it is widely used because it is at the 50% of the level. And also to connect to the 6 doctrines of Charles S. Dow, who has emphasized whenever market takes a correction, the market takes a correction in a range of 33% to 66%. So in order to incorporate all those possible levels, we take the help of retracement tool, and hence 38.2%, 50%, 61.8% becomes very important, out of which 61.8% being the golden ratio and 38.2% being the first derivative of golden ratio are very key. Whenever still deeper correction takes place, then 78.6% level also plays a significant role in deeper correction. But normally the healthy correction halts at golden ratio, that is 61.8%, and a shallow correction normally would be limiting in a range of 38.2% to 50% level. So friends, it's a very important tool and useful tool because it is easy to draw on the price chart with respect to the major move, which is nothing but an impulsive move on the price chart depending upon the prevailing trend of the market. So then the question arises as to how we should use the Fibonacci retracement levels in our favor as a trader or as an investor. So friends, these levels are primarily used to ascertain and find out the possible reversal area. When the market is trending up, as we know that the market will not go up in a straight line, it will have higher highs and higher lows kind of formation, which means market will retrace many a times during its up move. And during the retracement, we want to know that possible area of reversal from where market will give a definite signal in shape of some kind of candlestick pattern, which will indicate that probably the correction is over and it is a time to enter into that particular stock or index or commodity or currency pairs where we are entering into value area, so that our risk is small and possible reward is much higher in comparison to that of risk we are taking while initiating this particular trade. And then friends, it comes very handy to decide our precise entry level. You might have seen umpteen number of technical analysis that we perform during our live streams, that we decide entry level on a very fixed rule using the retracement level and combining with other studies. So it helps us to precisely decide the entry point, and at the same time it can also be used to define our stop loss. Means it is a tool to design a trading strategy, as simple as that. And friend, it also helps to arrive at the target, especially those who are short-term traders or intraday traders, so they can take the help of to arrive at the target with the help of Fibonacci retracement tool and Fibonacci in combination with Fibonacci expansion tool, that we will be covering. Expansion tool shall be covered in the subsequent episode of Zero to Hero. And friends, this is very important. Those who are watching this channel very regularly, during our live streams when we perform the technical analysis, you might have come across that we use the Fibonacci retracement tool to arrive at various confluences with the help of other confluences like support and resistance drawn on the basis of price action on the price chart, moving averages, trend line. So all these, when we combine, helps us to arrive at the confluences for a high probability trade. So friends, before we go to the price chart and take up the example for a holistic understanding of Fibonacci retracement tool, let us summarize whatever we have learnt in this particular episode up till now. So you have to bear in the mind that on a standalone basis, Fibonacci retracement tool may not be helpful, because it doesn't guarantee you in any way that retracement will halt at a particular retracement level, either 23.6% or 38.2% or 50%, although 50% is not a Fibonacci retracement level but is a part of Fibonacci retracement tool, and 61.8%, 78.6%. But when it is combined with other studies, it helps us to arrive at a high probability trade. And friends, we should bear in mind broadly that Fibonacci retracement levels are inflection points where some type of price action is expected to happen, either a reversal or a breakout or a breakdown, which means these are the key inflection points where we are expecting some kind of action, and if it is combined with the support and resistance drawn on the basis of price action analysis, or a trend line which is an established and valid trend line with minimum 3 or more touch points, or else friends, it is either a key support or resistance area of a key moving averages that we have already explained in various other tutorials under Zero to Hero. So friends, now let us go to the price chart. We will take up two examples today. One when the market is trending up and another when the market is trending down, so that we can use in both the market conditions as to how we can draw Fibonacci retracement by using the tool available in standard charting software, and how can we make interpretation out of it. Now friends, let us learn to draw the Fibonacci retracement in uptrending market. This is the price chart of Hindustan Unilever on NSE in weekly time frame. I have deliberately selected a weekly time frame, and in the short market position or a downtrending market, when we take an example, we will select a daily time frame. The purpose to tell you and emphasize is that Fibonacci retracement can be drawn in any time frame. However, when we draw on a larger time frame, the accuracy level would be better because we are analyzing more data. So here the market structure is very clear. Market is making higher highs and higher lows kind of formation. So Fibonacci tool is used to draw the major move and impulsive move. So friends, in this area we can see the price has moved upside. The impulsive wave started from here and it ended here, and then this correction has taken place. So let us choose from the tool the Fibonacci Fib retracement tool from the software, and we mark this point as the first point from where the impulsive wave started, and then we take to the point where the impulsive wave ended. And this is how the moment we draw this, all the retracement level are shown on the price chart. 23.6%. This is 23.6% is from this level to 23.6%, 38.2%, 50%, 61.8%, 78.6%. And what we can see, when the price retracement ended, the pullback ended at 61.8%, which is golden ratio. Now what we can see, that is why it is said that we should never buy when the market is falling. Let us patiently wait for that retracement or fall to be arrested. And here we can see the moment the fall arrested at 61.8%, there is a formation of bullish pin bar, which indicates the buying has started coming in this particular stock. And here at this point, it is the value buying which can be done in this particular stock, because since the market structure is suggesting higher highs and higher lows kind of formation. Of course, Fibonacci retracement can never be used as on a standalone basis, but here many confluences can be seen. Here you can see the formation of bullish pin bar, then the support as EMA 55, which is shown at blue color. So even rising moving averages in uptrending market acts as a support, and EMA 55 support is a confluencing area. So we can see the retracement normally. So in nutshell, I can say in majority of the time, I'm using the word majority of the time, price will retrace to this zone, which is a zone from 38% to 61.8%, and when a deeper correction takes place, price may go to 78.6% level also. So any correction to the golden ratio, that is 61.8% retracement level, is considered to be a healthy correction for a further up move. So friends, now let's move ahead to take an example in a downtrending market. This is the price chart of Zee Entertainment in daily time frame. So in this, we have selected daily time frame, and in the previous example for long trending market, we have selected a weekly time frame. We can visually see it's a downtrending stock, and we can see the price is making lower highs and lower lows kind of formation. If we witness several impulsive wave formation is there. For example, one impulsive wave formation can be seen here where the price, this is the one retracement, pullback, retracement, pullback. So friends, let us select this as an impulsive wave, and in this case the impulsive wave is starting from this point, it has ended at this point. So let us use the Fibonacci tool, and I am drawing the retracement and is taking to this level. What we can see in this, we can see the pullback has been a little deeper. The price got rejected. If you see the shadow of this candle, the shadow has extended up to 78.6%. However, on a closing basis, it has taken a rejection from 61.8%. And here what we can see the formation of evening star, and so it's an opportunity. If we see the further confluences, if we draw a trend line, we can see that this trend line is also broken here. So this portion, the pullback has ended, breakdown, many confluences, retracement of 61.8%, or if you consider the upper shadow, it could be 78.6%. Then the trend line breakdown, and several confluences. As we can see, I can show you some more confluences. There are number of support here the price was taking, which found as a rejection here. So we can see multiple support became a multiple rejection point, and it is a confluencing area where the support and resistances drawn with the help of price action. A horizontal line is also showing rejection. The rejection of EMA 55, you can see the price has rejected from EMA 55, then a formation of evening star, trend line breakdown. So multiple ground is there to suggest that the original trend, that is downtrend, is going to resume, and this pullback or a correction is over in downtrending market, which gives up a very good opportunity to initiate a short trade. So friends, if you have liked this presentation and if you think that this presentation has added values in you, please give a likes to this presentation. It keeps us motivated. And friends, do not forget to share this tutorial among your friend circle, social media, WhatsApp group, so that other people also receive benefits out of these tutorials. And in the process, subscribe this channel to become part of your and my family. And friends, if you have not yet subscribed the channel, do subscribe, enable the notification bell so that you remain updated all the time. So friends, thank you very much for watching. Thanks a lot. Looking forward to meet you again.